Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about three core tips that will help you to improve your English language. Point number one, practice active listening. What to do? Listen to English audios daily, such as podcast, audiobooks, or song. Focus on understanding the pronunciation tone and the context. Why it helps? Improve listening skill, build your vocabularies, and familiarize you with natural sentence structure. How to start? Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitle and gradually challenge yourself with no subtitle. Point number two, speak regularly even you make mistakes. What to do? Speak English as much as possible even in simple sentence. Why it helps? That will help you to build confidence, improve your fluency and reduce your hesitation to speaking with other people. How to start? Join English conversation groups, either online or offline. Practice speaking in front of the mirror or record yourself or record your voice to analyze your pronunciations. You can use apps like Italki, Hello or Free for Talk in order to connecting with different countries people or other English speaking partners. Expand vocabulary through reading and writing. What to do? Read books, articles or newspapers in English and write short paragraphs daily. Why it helps? Reading introduces you new words and sentence structures, while writing that will solidify your English learning. How to start? Write a diary or short notes in English. For example, describe your day in English language 3 to 5 sentences. You can use apps Grammarly to check and improve your writing. And bonus tips is that immerse yourself in English by setting your phone and social media to English language or engage with English speaking communities in online. Remember, consistency is the key. Practice a little every day and you will see improvement over time. So keep consistency and make consistent effort, try hard because learning English language is not a piece of cake. You have to bite the bullet.